Let's start a series of a bunch of different kinds of pours, all using the same 3 colors. In this case, a split complementary scheme. Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. I mentioned that I want to do a split complementary. I was trying to get away from using red, violet, and blue-green in like everything I do. So I picked the yellow-green and came up with violet and red. Now, of course, I mixed it up and I had to do the neon green. And then I have to throw in the flash red. Sorry, just can't stick with the rules no matter what. Alright, dioxazine purple for the violet. I don't know if this is naphthol red. I don't. Ready, go. Oh man, that's pretty. That's pretty. Got a lot of bubbles. Come on. Should have popped them in the cup. Boy, it's been so long, y'all, since I've done this. I'm afraid I don't know how much of anything to use anymore. I don't think I have enough in here, quite frankly. I need to make some more white. This is getting old, but I cannot find any Floetrol anywhere. Anybody else having that problem? If you're interested in the recipes I use, I have a page on my website that has all the recipes and links to all the ingredients. So you can go with that if you like. Did tempt fate a little and get a little bit of brown in there. So we had one primary, one secondary, and one tertiary color in our split complementary. I wonder if you always get that. Yeah, I think that alcohol's making things lay funny. So do many of y'all follow our challenges? Because we have a doozy for February. We'll be posting it January 31st. I think around 4 Central. I could be wrong. Alright, I'm going to let this drip for a little while because it's doing a really good job of it. And I will come back when it's dry. I'll try to leave my hands off of it, but no guarantees. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.